In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Windows 11. This process will help you keep all your important appointments and reminders in one place, allowing for seamless organization. So, without further ado, let's dive into the simple steps to ensure your Google Calendar syncs flawlessly with your Windows 11 device. Let's start by opening up the settings on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key together with the I key. This shortcut is a time saver and will take you directly to your system's settings page where we can access various configurations for your device. Once you've opened the settings, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts section. This can be easily found on the left-hand menu. After clicking on Accounts, look for the option labeled Email and Accounts. This is where we'll be managing the email and calendar connections that you'll be syncing. In the email and accounts section, you will see an Add Account option under the heading Email, Calendar, and Contacts. Clicking on Add Account will present you with a list of different account types. From this list, select Google. Choosing Google here will enable you to sync your Google Calendar directly. The next step is crucial. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. This involves entering your usual Google email and password. Once signed in, the system will prompt you to allow certain permissions. Be sure to grant these permissions as they are necessary for syncing your calendar events and ensuring your data is updated across platforms. With your account successfully added, it's time to open the calendar app that comes pre-installed on your Windows 11 device. You can find this app by searching in the Start menu, or it might even be pinned to your taskbar for easy access. Once inside the Calendar app, you'll notice that your Google Calendar events should now automatically appear. Thanks to the sync function, all your events and reminders from your Google Calendar will display and update seamlessly within the Windows Calendar app. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now able to keep track of all your Google Calendar events right from within Windows 11. Without having to switch between multiple apps or devices. This integration not only saves time, but also helps you stay organized on the busiest of days. Thank you for following along and happy scheduling.